a new feature that I just noticed in my Google Workspace. So I'm in Gmail at the moment, and then I noticed this icon here. It's called Studio, but it's actually called Studio Flow. So if you click on this, and these are the flows that I've already created. And basically what it is some workflows that you can create within your Google Workspace. So let me show you how this works. Click on this button, do more in Studio. The easiest thing to do is to actually describe what you want Gemini to do. And I've already got some templates here, so you can turn these on and set them up. I've already turned 2 on, and one that I've used is to get a daily summary of unread emails. Also, I set one up so that if I receive any invoices, it basically saves it into a task and then extracts the invoice and puts it in a Google Drive. But let me show you another example maybe, or a similar example. And you can basically describe what you want Gemini to do. Just prompt it. It's like a usual, ChatGPT style prompt. So describe what to do. Check any emails that are invoices and has an attachment. Then create a task and save the attachment to Google Drive. The task must have a due date, which is the invoice due date. Send a reminder when it's due. Okay, let's try this. Create this. Let Gemini create the actual workflow, and then you can modify the workflow to suit your specific requirements and check whether it actually works as well. Okay, looks like it's done. And this is the flow or workflow that is created from Gemini. Now you'll see the options here that is missing a required field. So what you've got to do is specify the field that is missing and then save it and turn it on. Okay, so let's go through it. So when I get an email, that's the first step. Decide what to do. So in this case, is the email require payment? So we'll check whatever is in the library. In the email body, you can add more variables. So when you get an email, you can check all these different options. Then if the decision is true, so if it actually does have some sort of attachment, in this case an invoice, then complete these other steps. So the next step is to extract. So it would extract the items. So in this particular case, I wanted the due date and a bit of a summary of what the email is. And then this is important. You have to select a folder in Google Drive. Okay, so I'm going to put it in invoices. It already identified that I had another flow. And then create the task. Check this step has issues. I'll just give it a label. Email attachments. So if you don't see any errors, do a test run. We'll test. Okay, it's received here a notification that it's start this. And it will trigger the flow. Okay, there, it's done, completed. So you can go through, check the results, and then if everything's working, just turn it on. Just like that. So that's the Workspace Studio and flow feature. So these are the flows. Hope this video helped. If it did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.